Most people see cloves as just a simple spice sitting in the kitchen, but this small, dried flower bud can actually have a powerful effect on your body. So, what happens if you eat just 2 cloves every single day for 7 days? Some people notice small changes, like better digestion, fresher breath, and more balanced energy throughout the day. It may even help reduce sugar cravings. But there's also a side that almost nobody talks about: the risks. Because when used incorrectly, cloves can do more harm than good. So in this video, we're going to break down exactly what may happen to your body day by day when you eat cloves for a week. And more importantly, how to use them correctly, who should be careful, and the most common mistakes people make. First, let's understand what makes cloves so powerful. They are actually dried flower buds that contain a strong natural compound called eugenol. This compound gives them their intense aroma, but more importantly, it has antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties. That's one of the reasons they've been used for centuries in traditional remedies, especially for tooth discomfort, digestion issues, and oral health. In fact, people used to chew them to help relieve tooth pain because of their natural numbing effect. They're also rich in antioxidants, which may help protect your body against damage caused by free radicals. Over time, this type of damage has been linked to various health concerns. In addition, they contain fiber, manganese, and small amounts of vitamins, which may help support digestion, immunity, and overall wellness. But here's something important. Just because something is natural doesn't mean it's harmless. They may be small, but they're very potent. And that's exactly why the dosage matters. Now let's get to the most interesting part. What happens if you eat 2 cloves every day for 7 days? On day 1, you might start noticing small changes in your digestion. After meals, your stomach can feel slightly lighter and more comfortable. By day 2, this effect often becomes more noticeable, with less bloating and reduced gas, especially after heavier meals. On day 3, you may begin to notice changes in your oral health. Your breath can feel fresher, and your mouth may feel cleaner due to their antibacterial properties. By day 4, these effects can continue, and some individuals experience reduced gum sensitivity along with an overall improvement in oral hygiene. On day 5, there may be a slight improvement in circulation, sometimes described as a gentle warmth in the hands and feet. On day 6, your immune system can feel more supported. If you have mild cold symptoms, you might notice some relief in your throat or easier breathing. And finally, by day 7, you may notice more balanced energy throughout the day, along with reduced fatigue and even fewer sugar cravings. However, it's important to remember that these effects can vary from person to person. There are several simple ways to include cloves in your daily routine. One of the most common methods is clove tea. You can boil 2 to 3 cloves in a cup of water for about 5 minutes and drink it after meals. This is especially popular for supporting digestion. Another method is soaking 2 cloves in water overnight and drinking it in the morning on an empty stomach. You can also crush them and mix with a small amount of honey, which may help soothe the throat. But it's important to understand that these are traditional uses. They are not a replacement for medical treatment. Now let's talk about something most people ignore: the risks. Consuming too many cloves can irritate your stomach and cause discomfort, especially if you have a sensitive digestive system. They may also have a mild blood thinning effect, so if you are taking blood thinning medication, you should be cautious. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, it's always best to consult a healthcare professional before using them regularly. And if you have any chronic health condition or take medication daily, you should be extra careful with natural remedies like this. The most important rule is simple: more is not better. 1 to 2 cloves per day is usually enough. Many people try to get faster results by consuming too much. This is a mistake. Some people swallow them whole without chewing, which can be harsh on the stomach. Others use them continuously without breaks, but balance is key when it comes to natural remedies. So what's the final verdict? Eating 2 cloves a day for 7 days may help support digestion, improve oral health, and contribute to overall wellness. But it's not a miracle solution. When used properly, cloves can be a helpful addition to your daily routine. But when misused, they can cause unwanted effects. That's why balance and mindful use are essential. Always listen to your body and consider seeking professional advice if needed. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care of yourself and stay healthy.